Assalamu alaikum kids. Today we are going to learn about articles. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Consider the following examples. After the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. By using the article the, we have shown that it was one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. Let's see another example. After a long day, a cup of tea tastes particularly good. By using the article a, we have created a general statement implying that any cup of tea would taste good after any long day. There are three articles in English language: a, and, the. We use article a before a word with a consonant sound. That means all sound except the vowel sound. For example, a girl, a pencil, a banana. We use an if the naming word begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an inkpot, an orange. An is an article used before nouns that start with vowel sound. And a is a article that we use before a consonant sound. That means all sound except the vowel sound. Both a and n are used when there is a single person, place, or thing. For example, an owl, an elephant, a cow, a giraffe, a chair, an apple, a car. Article the can be used before singular as well as plural noun. We can use the when we are talking about something very specific. For example, the sun is shining brightly. The keys.
Now we will do some examples related to our topic articles. We have to put the correct article in these blanks. The plates are on the dining table. We have added the because the plates are in plural form. I want a burger. I have used a because burger is in singular form. There is an orange on the table. The students are welcoming the chief guest. He is in a rush. I have got a plan for that. She is always smiling and kind to the students. A teacher is an important person in everyone's life. He is the best in his subject. There was a lot of fun while playing cricket. I hope that you have understood our topic of articles today. We will do more in our online class. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.